Talafo fams, is another burst fade tutorial from my boy Tim the Barbarian. I know you're tired of it, but first we go in with our trimmer and do that first guideline, make it clean and straight. Then we go up with an inch with the zero check on that half guard and go up an inch. Don't go too high because it's gonna ruin the fade. Now with your one guard and blend it with the 1.5 guard because that's gonna be the highest guard I'm gonna use. And now we're blending the first guideline with the zero closed, lining up the V shape at the back, making sure it's clean and crispy. Now we're doing a scissor work, blending the sides, and 3 going with the grain. Probably this was the most satisfying thing to watch is lining up the French. Yo, look at it. Clean and crispy. Oh, and that's the final product, ladies and gentlemen. Yo, if you like this service, hit that follow button and book with me on the ToyPoint app. Oh, look at that. Holy smoky. Oh, and if you don't have a ring light or light reflector, yeah, use the mirror bra. Yang ali, ika umo.